How you doing, guys? Derek here with Dad Guys. Want to do a quick fun little video. What do you guys wear when you go out and it's negative 28 degrees with the wind chill and you got to do some work outside? So here I have a quilted insulated flannel button up. I have my ski mask, goggles, beanie cap, Frost Extreme Frostbuster gloves, and then my jacket here, and this is a Wolverine. All right, guys, so this is what going out in negative 28 looks like, and so I just wanted to show you that, and you can see that heavy duty, right? Here's what it looks like outside. All right, guys, so our blizzard of December 23rd, 2022.